Welcome to History Unboxed. Louisiana, a land of diversity and rich history. Louisiana is a state in the southern region of the United States, known for its diverse culture, vibrant music scene, and delicious cuisine. The state has a rich history that dates back to the early exploration of the Mississippi River by French explorers in the 17th century. In 1682, French explorer René Robert Cavelier, Sieur de La Salle, claimed the entire Mississippi River Valley for France, including the land that would become Louisiana. The French established several settlements in the area, including Fort Maurepas in 1699 and New Orleans in 1718. In 1682, French explorer Robert Cavelier de La Salle claimed the Mississippi River and all lands that it drained for France, naming the territory La Louisiane in honor of King Louis XIV. In 1699, Pierre Le Moyne d'Iberville led an expedition to explore the Gulf Coast and establish a French presence in the region. He established Fort Maurepas near present-day Ocean Springs, Mississippi. French settlements were established along the Gulf Coast and Mississippi River, including Biloxi, Mobile, and New Orleans. These settlements were primarily focused on trade and agriculture, and served as a base for French exploration and settlement in the region. The French settlers at Fort Maurepas initially had good relations with the local Native American tribes, including the Biloxi and Pascagoula. However, tensions arose over trade and land disputes, leading to conflicts and ultimately the relocation of some tribes. Jean-Baptiste Le Moyne de Bienville founded New Orleans in 1718 as a French outpost on the Mississippi River Delta. New Orleans quickly became a vital port for trade and transportation, serving as a gateway to the Mississippi River and the Gulf of Mexico. French, Spanish, and African cultures blended together in New Orleans, resulting in a unique Creole culture that still thrives today. The French settlement in Louisiana had a profound impact on the region, shaping its culture, economy, and politics. The French settlers introduced a rich cultural heritage to Louisiana, including cuisine, music, and architecture. Many of these traditions are still celebrated today, such as the Mardi Gras festival and the Creole cuisine that blends French, African, and Native American influences. The French settlement in Louisiana also had a significant economic impact. The colonizers established a thriving trade network, exporting goods such as fur, tobacco, and indigo. They also introduced new agricultural practices such as the cultivation of rice and sugarcane, which became major cash crops in the region. The French settlement in Louisiana also had a lasting political impact. The state's legal system, based on the Napoleonic Code, is rooted in French law. Additionally, the French colonizers established a system of government that included a governor and a council, which served as a model for future political structures in the region.